So before this reaction starts, I just want to quickly apologize for having not uploading anything all December except for that one crack video. I guess you could say that I have been kind of silent. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Hello everybody, it's JohnnyFerno FIM talking, and welcome back to the next My Little Pony Friendship is Magic reaction. Now, I have been told that I should be very excited for this episode that I'm going to watch today, and I kind of know why. I'm very much on Twitter, so I have seen a few pictures here and there of something that looks very interesting. I'm not sure what it is, so I'm excited to find out what it is. Yeah. But I have been told that this beautiful gal is in it. So I have to keep this medal ready for whenever Applejack does something awesome. So yeah, just to remind you, it's best pony. You have to remember.
You have to remember, best pony.
Anyway, let's just get right into it. It's called The Sound of Silence. Obvious song reference aside, I wonder what this is. Like, is someone's going to steal their voices or something? I don't know. But let's find out as we watch My Little Pony Season 8 Episode 23, Sounds of Silence. In 3, 2, 1, go. Didn't even start up the video yet. Wait a second, I am professional, I swear, not really. In 3, 2, 1, go!
I can't believe you two are going on a friendship quest.
Oh, friendship quest!
This is amazing!
What do you mean, Twilight?
AJ and Fluttershy.
We've been on one together before.
Yeah!
Exactly! This is the first time the map has teamed up the same ponies for a second quest.
That is special.
It's exciting!
Must be because we're extra good at solving friendship problems.
I hope so. Because it looks like
Oh
this
god, I
one
feel
might
bad. What
be a
episode
little
was it that they
tricky.
were paired up in?
You're going to the
Oh, God.
Peaks of Peril.
The peaks of
The Peaks of Peril?
Ah, it's just a name. It doesn't mean anything.
like how Cloudsdale is in the clouds and the Crystal Empire is made of crystal?
Well,
Fair point.
yeah,
So, what can he
ponies
tell us
have a
about
knack
this,
for
Twilight?
naming things
Only
in the
what
literal
Rocco told
sense,
me.
so...
Back in his day, no pony knew much about the Peaks of Peril.
Okay.
Except for the legend on this ancient shield. It says a group called the Kirin used to live there.
Kirin!
Known for their kindness and truth.
Oh, I'm ready for some
Now you
ancient
know why the
mythology
map
here.
called us.
Specifically,
Unfortunately,
Chinese and
other
Japanese, I
creatures
believe.
also live there. The Nirik, fearsome beasts of pure fire.
I like them already.
You should go instead of me, Twilight.
Sorry, Fluttershy. Flanks don't lie.
I'm sure the two of us will get that friendship problem solved.
like
no
their
matter
thoughts, and I
what
cannot
kind of
like- damn
creature
it!
has it.
That was too easy a reference.
My little pony.
Oh, I've been missing this. Ah, mine. I used to wonder what friendship could be. God damn it. I messed up my singing singing. My singing. My sinking. What am I thinking about? I don't know. Shout out to all my German fans. German viewers. Fans out here. Anyway. Let's get into this. The Kirin. Exciting. Always exciting to see new creatures. How far do these Right, Season 5. You taught us that trains can go backwards.
Guess no pony else is going out as far as we are.
Maybe they know something we don't.
Now, Fluttershy, I've told you a dozen times. There's nothing to be
Ah.
scared.
I'm sorry.
I'm definitely not a villain.
You really startled us.
Oh, it's just that I'm not used to seeing any pony taking the train to the end of the line. The final destination.
Never seen those movies.
Last stop.
We get the picture. Why?
You are very
Nothing but
specific?
uncharted terrain and wild beasts out that way.
You know you're not helping, right? Crazy conductor dude.
Well, maybe there's a
Okay,
real
props to that
something
dude.
be
He went
scared of.
all out. That was amazing.
Yeah.
Come on, Flutters. You can do it. What? She's being cool right now.
Those must be the Pig's apparel. Whew. Tough going, huh, Fluttershy? Fluttershy?
Did you lose her?
Oh.
If it was Rainbow Dash, she was already have flown up. But this is Fluttershy, so...
Oh.
Fluttershy,
There. That should be enough.
you didn't
flowers
say
to keep the
anything?
Tree cozy.
Fluttershy? What are you doing? This is no time for visiting varmints. We're on a friendship quest, remember?
Yes, but actually,
Come on! We're burning daylight.
I know. But what I found out is that
Now we gotta get up that peak. I figured if we use some rope and elbow grease, we can make it up half.
Applejack, can you please listen to me?
Jesus!
What I'm
Fluttershy!
trying to say is the squirrels
Now I kinda
told
wish
me
I
a
had a Fluttershy
shortcut will
medallion.
take
That was
to the
cool.
Kirin village.
So they knew the way to the village. Okay.
Oh. Sorry, Fluttershy. I suppose I got a little too caught up in the adventure.
That's all right. If you hadn't
Hey.
come back to get me, I probably
Friendships.
would have talked to the squirrels all day.
Wow. Oh, this is beautiful.
I hope that's not an Eric.
Oh. Am I about to see them in the flesh? I've seen the
Show
pictures.
yourself!
Am I about to see them in the flesh? Hello. The Kirin. If I remember correctly,
Well,
they
hi,
are
I'm
horses
Applejack,
like of
and this
electrical
here's
sense.
Fluttershy.
Ah, remember my mythology. Hi.
If you have any friendship problems, we're here to help.
They kind of look like... The head movements reminds me of cats. Like,
We're from Equestria, and we're plumb tickled to meet y'all.
are they all mute? Do they not understand them?
So, what are your names?
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Applejack, Fluttershy. Remember?
Maybe they don't understand us.
Do you understand Ponish?
Okay,
Oh,
they just don't
But
talk.
You don't speak?
Okay, they don't speak.
Don't or won't?
Will you excuse us for a moment?
Applejack's being a bit too suspicious right now.
You have to ask yes or no questions, or they won't answer.
Like
Okay.
talking to Angel Bunny?
Not exactly. I can always tell what Angel is feeling, but these Kirin don't show anything.
No, they're very...
Well, how
Cold
are we
up
gonna
front.
solve a friendship problem if none of them will tell us what it is?
Oh, now I remember the Las Vegas episode. I don't remember it took me that long to remember. It's beautiful. I love their designs. Now I can't help but wonder how my OC would look like in Kirin form.
These Kirin are quieter than an apple blossom on snowfall. Still, there's gotta be some way to make them speak.
Hey, Jay, you're being a bit too stern. Oh, look at that
Beautiful
plant
day,
magic.
Ain't it?
I love plant magic.
Knock, knock.
Horse noises.
Now you say, who's there? Police!
They're kind.
Police who? Police! Say something!
These Kirin are kind of adorable with like the way they move their heads.
Uh-oh.
It's so cat-like.
I feel a sneeze coming on. Achoo!
Gesundheit.
Oh, don't any of y'all talk? Now we're getting somewhere.
A dark, spooky path that leads into unknown territory?
Tell you
Pretty
what,
much.
Sugar Cube, you stay and see if you can get anything out of these here Kirin. I'll go try and find one that talks.
Phew. Be careful. And watch out for Nerix!
Hi. Silent judging. Oh. Oh, just a squirrel. A squirrel.
Yeah.
Hey!
Yeah.
Oh, I've seen you
have
everywhere.
You seen a Kieran that talks? Any idea where I should look? Oh, for the love of Celestia! Can't you just say something?
Gotcha! Sorry, but that was too good. Oh, you don't know how much I miss jokes. Hilarity. Am I pronouncing that right? Some words I haven't said in a while. Hi, I'm Autumn Blaze. You've just arrived, and perhaps you're tired or hungry or reflective and want to sleep and eat and journal.
My name is JohnnyFerno. I just met you and I love you.
Oh, a joy to talk with another creature. It's been so long. You must tell me everything about you. There's so much to say, so much to do. Oh, look at me. I'm going on, and you haven't seen... I mean, have you seen... What am I saying? Of course you haven't. So just... I will just... Follow me.
That was something, all right.
Already love her. Autumn Blaze.
This is amazing.
Oh, you think so too? The way the light shimmers off everything, like it all suddenly woke up the moment you saw it.
Her
and
voice
you
is
realized
like,
maybe
it's
the
weird.
water and the mountains and the
It sounds
forests
familiar, yet
and
not.
the rainbow and the stars in the sky are all looking back at you, thinking the same thing.
This
that
is
we
me
are
after I've
part of
cooped
the
myself up for
everything.
too long.
That
I
maybe
can't
there's
stop
just
talking about
one
certain
thing, and
things.
we are all it.
I love
I'm
her.
gonna say it's pretty, but yeah.
And this is just the first stop on a journey of amazing things to see, smell, tiptoe through. Oh, I haven't been able to share all of this with any pony in forever since they all took that vow of silence. So it's a lot for me to,
Wait, what?
process.
The what of silence?
Process. That deal with.
That's softly creeping in my brain while I was sleeping?
Vow of silence?
The vow of silence.
That's why they asked me to leave.
I hope it's not a sore subject, but you mind explaining why y'all went quiet in the first place?
It's a long story.
We have time.
You'd rather not talk about it?
Well, about 10
No.
minutes to be exact.
I understand.
I'd rather sing.
Okay, song time.
La 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 la. The Kieran used to speak and sing. We weren't always quiet. We told stories and funny jokes. Most stand-up was a riot. But then one day a fight broke out and hurtful words were said. Flaring tempers were inflamed. Destruction quickly spread. And flaming red from head to head, it even burnt our bread. Sorry, I forgot how much I love rhyming. Where was I? Oh, right! My happy village lay in ruins. Relationships got worse. Spoiler alert, we quickly learned that words could be a curse. No more talking, yelled our leader, the last thing said aloud. Into the stream of silence, we stepped as a crowd. The water cooled emotions, and peace was soon restored. But with no way to speak my thoughts, I got super bored. Seriously, there's only so long that Sudoku can keep you entertained. 'Cause rainbows won't light up the sky unless you let it rain. And shiny apples sometimes come with worms. No, you can't give up your laughter, 'cause you're scared of a little pain. It's a lesson that the Kieran never learned. I was stuck in silent prison with the voices in my head, till I tripped over my salvation in a helpful flower bed. I found a cure to clear my pipes, and I became quite chatty. With years and years of stored up words, I drove my village batty. They didn't like my jokes and songs and daily dose of news. The plays I wrote, the speeches spoke, variety reviews. Or the story about the Kieran who hid below an opera stage and fell in love with this opera singer, and he wore a freaky half mask thing, and he played the organ a lot and got all broody because the singer was in love with another dude, so he took her away on this underground gondola. I mean, who doesn't love musical theater?
No one! I mean, everyone!
Made it
Fuck!
clear I had to make my choice. I could stay and live with them, or I could keep my voice. So I came here but left the couch alone. They're hard to move, with just the view for company, until you heard me groove. Take it away, boys! sometimes you gotta let it rain. Yeah, sometimes you've gotta let it rain.
Oh my god, that was so good. I couldn't bring myself to speak. I was silent.
It.
Ha!
A pony should give up feeling their feelings just to keep from getting angry.
That's what I said. Well, you know, when I started talking again.
I bet this here's the problem that Fluttershy and I came to help y'all with.
Really? Who's Fluttershy? Oh, did you name your shadow? Mine's called Silhouette Gloom of the Sundown Lands.
What?
Right.
Okay.
Well, I'm thinking if we just go talk to the other Kieran, we can get him to welcome you back proper like. Maybe even convince him to take your cure.
Oh, yes, of course. Oh, just one small thing. The antidote for my anecdote, it's gone.
What?
There's no cure left?
I used the last of the false breath flowers to make it, and I haven't seen them bloom since.
You saw them at the beginning
Well,
of the
this
episode.
wouldn't be a friendship quest if it was easy. I'm gonna start by getting your friends to welcome you back.
You know, between you and me, I'm not sure she's gonna convince them.
Nope.
But I hope she does.
Oh, I like her. I love her.
Fluttershy, guess what?
That was an
I
awesome
figured out the
song.
friendship problem. Me too. Go ahead. Bet that's a problem the Kieran never have.
No.
Anyhow, we gotta get them all talking again.
Oh, no. We can't ever let that happen.
I thought you said you figured out the friendship problem. Was something lost in translation?
Oh, that was a
Kieran are
movie.
usually peaceful and kind, but when they get mad, they turn into Nyrics, creatures made of fire and vengeance.
That
So their
seemed
negative
less scary
feelings
when it was in
explodes
song.
into Nyrics.
The last time they all argued,
I can't remember if
they got
Nyrics
so
are a
angry,
real
they
mythological thing.
accidentally destroyed their whole village. So the Kieran decided to make sure it would never happen again.
But that's no reason to stop talking.
Yes, it is. Fire is dangerous, especially in a forest like this. Think of all the animals it could hurt.
Not if they don't turn into fire-breathing Nyric in the first place.
And how can you be sure that won't happen?
There's gotta be a better way than giving up all your feelings.
Applejack, you're not listening!
'Cause you're not talking any sense.
What are they doing? Hey! Maybe they
Oh,
got
shit.
worried because we were arguing with each other.
Ah, shucks. We were just having a normal civil disagreement. Honest.
Yeah, exactly.
Where are they taking us?
To the stream of silence.
To the stream of silence.
I actually
If we hit
remember
that
the name.
water, we'll never be able to talk or feel anything ever again.
Put them down!
Autumn?
It's all right. I think I know this one, and she's trying to help.
Well, yeah. Can't have them silence the only friend who'll speak to me.
Oh, thank God, Autumn.
Talks?
You have no idea. Fluttershy, meet Autumn Blaze.
I love her so much.
Well, thank you for that, wall of fire. But I thought
Powerful
Nyrics
spell.
were dangerous when they're angry. How did you know you could control your
I should
temper?
know.
I didn't. I guess
Oh,
anger is
shit.
like
Damn
other
it.
feelings.
Ah, sorry.
It's not about having
Messing
them,
up the
it's
mic.
what you do with them.
And giving up happiness to keep away anger is no kind of life.
I never thought of it that way. I can't imagine not being able to talk to my animal friends.
Fernflare, you used to love to laugh at everything. And Rainshine, you sung the most beautiful harmonies. Don't you miss it?
I know you're worried about fighting, but friends can disagree without causing a ruckus.
Every pony gets mad
Heaven knows
sometimes.
I've done that many
Even
times.
Applejack and I argue.
What? When do we ever argue?
On the way here, and about the Kieran being silent, and right now!
We don't always see eye to eye, but we never let that get in the way of our friendship.
And if you're really angry, then take some time away to be a Nyric where it won't hurt any pony.
Ah, it's like raging out.
I think they're trying to say something.
Okay, are you hungry?
Are you making
No,
coffee?
some Kieran trapped in a well? Okay,
Trapped in a well.
Baby fish. baby fish mouth? Something? Anything? Just write it down. Ugh, this is making me furious.
Would you excuse me? I'll be right back.
Excuse me while I literally burst into fire from
You
rage.
want the cure for the stream of silence.
That's
Wait, what?
wonderful. Isn't it?
Well, it would be, except there aren't any flowers left to make the cure.
Are you sure?
Oh, beyond sure. Believe me, I've had a lot of alone time lately. I searched the entire forest 73.5 times.
And a half.
Although I wonder if that second half could make a difference.
I wish she'd told us what kind of flowers she's looking for.
Oh, yeah, she never
They're
said what
called
kind.
Vole's breath.
We know that they
never
look like
heard
the
of
same
that.
as Fluttershy had in the beginning.
Fluttershy? A little help?
He says he knows where to find Fool's Breath.
Well,
Fool's
what are
breath.
we waiting for? Lead the way!
I can't hear if it's fool's breath or false breath or...
That's what Fool's Breath looks like?
Autumn Blaze never would have made it past the peaks to search here. I owe you an apology.
Why?
Because if your kindness hadn't made you stop to help the squirrels, we never would have found this here flower.
And if your honesty hadn't convinced the Kieran to talk, we wouldn't need to find it.
Guess it's a good thing the map sent both of us, huh?
Yay! There's a reason for everything!
You found them? Where were they? Tell me everything and feel free to add complicated descriptions and comedic tangents. Oh, yeah.
I like her
First
so
things
much!
first.
Wow, it was even like the water was purified.
Autumn Blaze, you have given us a gift. The realization that anger is within us, but it is our choice how we let it out. We would very much like it if you came
That is
back
an
to live with us.
interesting voice.
I can't say how much we've missed your beautiful voice.
'Cause rainbows won't light up the sky unless you let it rain.
Oh God, I want to sing this so badly.
No, you can't give up your laughter 'cause you're scared of a little pain. It's a lesson that my village never learned. Oh yes, 'cause rainbows won't light up the sky unless you let it.
I'm so sad that oh God. I'm so sad about something. Oh, that was it? Whoa, that was sudden. I mean, experienced like a small fade out or something. Not like, high five, end of episode. Alrighty then. Oh, that was good. I really enjoyed that episode. I understand why it has the hype that it's had. And why some of my friends were like, dude, watch it. Oh, and the Kieran, their design is so good. I love Autumn Blaze. She's adorable and, oh God, I understand why I've seen some pictures of her around. Oh, I have to remember Kieran. Japanese, Chinese, I can't remember. Okay, so it seems that Kieran or Keelan, or however you pronounce it in that fashion, is East Asian cultures in general. Okay, so it doesn't seem that Nirik is... So it doesn't seem it's from a real life mythology. It seems like it's the only show. And I only just realized now that Nirik is Kieran spelled backwards. But even the Nirik forms are really cool. All fire-based and stuff. It's basically all their rage trying to get out. All in all, this was a great episode. Applejack and Fluttershy were shown in great forms. The Kieran are a very interesting species that I hope we can see more of in the next season to come. Autumn Blaze is beautiful, she's adorable, and great creature all around. Yeah, this was a great episode. I'm so excited. I'm so happy that I finally saw it, and I cannot wait for finally finishing this season. See you all in it. So, yeah. As always, all my dear friends, thank you all so very much for watching. Please tell me in the comments below what you thought about the video, my reaction, and my entire channel in general. Please tell me both positive and negative, so I can use it all to grow and evolve into a better entertainer for you guys. But as always, my dear friends, thank you all so very much for watching. My name is JohnnyFerno, and I'll see you guys next time.